Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can install Ubuntu on your PC. So we need two things to prepare, is this one Rufus and Ubuntu ISO file. This is the image of the Ubuntu, that installation. And the Rufus is to make a bootable USB drive. So let's get started. The first thing that you have to do is to open your favorite browser and go to ubuntu.com. This will be in the description of the video. Go here on download, click on get Ubuntu desktop, and here we're gonna scroll down and go for this one, for the latest 22.4.3. maybe from the day you're watching this video, maybe it's another version. Just go to the latest one, this at the top, click on download Ubuntu, this one. So if it's not downloading automatically, just click on this, download now, and you should be able to see it right here downloading. So after we finish this, we need to download the Rufus. So here we are on Rufus site. Just go on the one that is linked in the description. This is official site. All these two sites are official. So go scroll down and click on the latest Rufus.exe, this one, and download it. Now after you've downloaded these two files, we need to plug our USB drive. So I'm gonna do it right now. So now we go open Rufus, double click on it, here click on yes, then we click on no since we just downloaded it. Then here make sure your USB is detected, and here go on select, and we need to find this is location of my ISO file. We go on select and find the location of your ISO file, and double click on it and just load it in Rufus. And now here leave it everything as default, click on start. Make sure you have more than 8 GB of space on your USB. Here let on recommended, go OK, just go OK, and that's it. If it tells you that will delete everything, just deletes everything from your USB. So after the USB has been finished, we just now need to restart our PC and make our USB priority so it can boot from USB in the BIOS. So let's go. So to enter the BIOS, you need to go to start menu and then click on this power button and go to restarting your PC. And after it restarts, it's usually, you see for me it's here, press delete to enter setup. I'm gonna go to, you have to find like something like section like boot, and then you will see like something like boot option. It's not for same PC, it's, you have to see for yourself on your own PC how it's, but it's usually on boot category. And then here on optional, you have to put to be the first one, so USB, this one. So your USB is on priority on number 1, not number 2, number 3, but number 1. So let's make it number 1, and go exit here and save changes and exit, and after that it will boot from USB. So now after you've set up your USB and is bootable, everything is done for the BIOS. Now we have to choose what we want to do. So with the up arrow keys like up and down, we can choose what we want to do. So go on try or install Ubuntu, press on enter, and we need to wait this to load. So here we go. Now you choose here and choose your language. So I'm gonna stick with English and click on install Ubuntu. Here on the keyboard layout, I'm gonna stick it again to English. So click on continue. Here I'm gonna again go on default normal installation for web browser, everything. Continue. Then here I'm gonna go with erase disk and install Ubuntu. This will delete all your programs, basically files. Go to install now. So just make sure that everything will be deleted from your PC. Click on continue. Here your name, we're gonna type in our name. So I'm just gonna go like this. We're gonna pick a password. And here we're gonna continue. And we're gonna wait this to finish. So after installation has been completed, you need to restart the computer. So go restart now. So now we're gonna remove the USB. So after you remove USB, then press enter when you remove it. Here we're gonna click on our username that we created before. And here your password, type your password. And we're gonna click on skip. Or if you want, you can log in here. I'm gonna go skip for now. Don't send info, this. If you want, you can send so they can improve it even more. Next, and click on done. And there we go, we're in Ubuntu right now. So if you want to change your screen resolution, all that stuff, go here, go to settings, go to scroll down, go on display, and here we can change your settings to resolution and all that stuff. And here you can download the apps for your system. This is like App Store for Ubuntu. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and like for more videos like this. And see you in the next video. Bye.